Hey guys, my name is Muhammad Bilal and I'm recording my tutorial 00 for Comp 246. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to minimize all your applications, all your tabs that are open at once. Okay? So for example, all these tabs are open now. So to minimize them, you have to go by one, right? Like this, one by one, which takes a lot of time. So an easy and quick way to do this is a using a keyboard shortcut, okay? So let's open them again. Okay. So to close this, so minimize all your applications, you have to press the Windows key with M. Okay? So Windows key plus M, it closes all your applications at once, which is pretty quick and pretty helpful. So yeah, I hope this helps you out and thank you.